Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It's going to be a quick one, but I still wanted to give you another update as I assume that we are now here still heading down lower eventually. I did already post it on Discord and Telegram to channel members that sometimes these corrections, when there is a lot of fear going on, sometimes you don't get all the waves to the downside, okay? So ideally, this would unfold now as a 5-wave move to the downside in a wave C as shown in previous videos. Not necessarily that low, but certainly I'd like to see the 1660 area. Okay, maybe a little lower. Eventually we need to wait for a signal anyway. So far in this entire correction, which started in April, Ethereum hasn't given us any reliable information or signal that the overall downtrend is complete. So my tactic remains the same. If I buy tiny positions, and I'm not assuming the low is in until we have an impulsive reversal. Nevertheless, I add tiny positions, basically lunch money positions on the way down, and waiting for a reversal, which is when I will get a bit more aggressive when we get the first rally and the first corrective reversal or corrective pullback. So I'm just saying because I did read again today in a lot of comments that people, not much happened. We expected another move down for Ethereum, right? But a lot of people still don't seem to be good with their position sizing or with stop losses. If I read that people like with Solana, I just read a comment that someone like bought Sol for 10 grand at $20 or something. But obviously, where's the stop loss? Where's the stop loss? Where's adequate position sizing? It's just not there. And I teach this all the time. We teach it a lot in the channel membership. I know people get it still wrong, but then I can't help you anymore, really. But I don't want people to lose money. That's why I always say sound position sizing, stop losses. Altcoins are risky anyway, so I would only keep altcoins ideally as trading positions, not as hodl. I do have some in my hodl portfolio, but I'm good with it. I know they could go to zero, and if you're not good with it, then that just be aware you're in the wrong space. Maybe, I don't know, but it comes down to tactics, position sizing, and risk management. Yeah, which means basically risk management. Okay. Just be aware. To be honest, Ethereum-wise, not too much happened on the chart. It came down finally deeper into the support area. It's just following the primary count at the moment. My view is that we're now in this third wave down, within which we have an A, B, C structure in this C wave, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, probably complete. I would now assume we're in the fourth wave, which should still give us another low, and then ideally another 4 and 5. Again, sometimes you don't get these, not when you have a period of a lot of fear, because sometimes you just get that flush out straight away and you don't get that sort of healthy corrective structure to finish. Eventually, what I wanted to see anyway was another low, because now it has a chance to restart to the upside with an impulse, because it didn't happen from here. So that's when you normally want to see another low, which happened. So shouldn't have been any surprise to anyone. Now looks like we are heading a little higher or sideways in this wave 4. Market is still very weak at this stage. I would assume price is going to drop further until I see an impulsive reversal to the upside, and resistance is 1791. Okay, so a break above that level could indicate a low is in, but the main selling volume, and that's something I sometimes observe, the main selling volume that started, or let me actually go to the 30-minute chart here in this candle. Yeah, where were we? Yeah, did it here around 1790. So that's also when the main selling volume started. Can you see that here on the volume indicator? After that, it was all brought up again. But that was the peak selling volume, the fear candle. Now, that's exactly where the 50% retracement lies. So a break above that could indicate a low is in if it's impulsive. So I keep watching the chart just to update you where I think we are at the moment on this roadmap to the downside. Still would like to see 1660, and ideally in any corrective pullback to the upside, it does not go above 1790. Also have to tell you that the daily RSI doesn't come down as much as I would like to. So that's why it suggests there might be a final flush. There might be a final flush. I can only say it very clearly. Something comparable to the altcoins, okay? I can only say it. There might be a final flush, okay? I've said it 3 times. Because the RSI needs to come a little lower on the daily. Okay, it doesn't need to, but I would find it likely, and I would find it a good signal that a low could be in if the daily RSI on the Ethereum chart is close to 30. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.